Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to get to my eyes only on Snapchat. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open Snapchat. Swipe up the camera to get to your memories. At the right side you will see the option for my eyes only. In order to use this feature you need to set up it first. You need to create a passcode. Tap on I understand. Then continue. Click finish. Every time you access my eyes only, you need to enter the passcode. You can move snaps, photos and videos to my eyes only. Let's go to my snaps here and try to do it. Tap on this check button, then tap on the snap that you want to move. At the bottom, click this hide button. Click move. For more how-to tutorials please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.